In this video, I'm going to show you how to make changes to all screen sizes in Webflow. So the first thing that we'll need to do is open up our website. So once we are in our website, for example, we need to change the size of this um, heading right here. So all we need to do is, for example, let's make it bigger. So let's highlight our heading first and let's make the size to, let's say, 75. And I want it to change also on the tablet, the mobile, and the other mobile view. So all we need to do is just click on the tablet view or the mobile view. So just click on it, and you can also edit this however you want. So for example, you want this uh, bigger in the tablet view. So just change the size again and go over to the mobile view next. And here you can also change the size to, for example, let's stick with the size 75, and also do the same for the mobile view. And if you click on the heading right here and you set this to 75, it will look much bigger. So this is why you need to change the make changes depending on the screen size. So let's make this smaller. So let's say we'll make this 40, and that's about it. All you need to do is just click on the four views on the top right here, and that's how to make changes to all screen sizes in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.